Hey there, my awesome viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to dive into the wonderful world of test making. Whether you're a student, teacher, or just someone who loves a good challenge, this video is for you. We'll be sharing some expert tips and tricks to help you create an engaging and effective test, so let's get started. First things first, when creating a test, it's important to define your objectives. What do you want to assess? Is it knowledge, comprehension, or application? Understanding your goals will help you structure your test and determine the types of questions you'll include. Now let's talk about the different types of questions you can use to assess your test takers. The classic multiple choice questions are great for testing knowledge and recall. They provide options and require test takers to select the correct answer. Another option is true or false questions, which can be useful for assessing basic understanding. Or for a deeper level of assessment, consider using short answer or easy questions. These allow test takers to demonstrate their understanding and critical thinking skills. Just make sure to provide clear instructions and grading criteria to avoid any confusion. Variety is the spice of life, and it applies to test making to mix up the question formats to keep your test engaging and interesting. Consider dying, matching questions, fill in the blanks, or even scenario-based questions. This will challenge your test takers and make the assessment more dynamic. Variety is the spice of life, and it applies to test making too. Mix up the question formats to keep your test engaging and interesting. Consider design matching questions, fill in the blanks, or even scenario-based questions. This will challenge your test takers and make the assessment more dynamic. Timing is everything when it comes to tests. Be mindful of time you allocate for each section or question. You don't want to overwhelm your test takers or give them too much time to second guess themselves. Find the right balance that allows for thoughtful answer without causing unnecessary stress. Now let's talk about the importance of clarity. Your test should be crystal clear, leaving no room for confusion or ambiguity. Make sure your questions are concise and the instructions are easy to understand. Proofread your test closely to catch any errors or confusion wording. Another crucial aspect of test making is fans. Ensure that your test is unbiased and doesn't favor any specific group or individual. Avoid using culturally or politically sensitive examples or language that may disadvantage certain test takers. The goal is to provide an equal opportunity for everyone to succeed. Lastly, don't forget to review and evaluate your test after it's been administered. Analyze the results to identify any areas of improvement with some questions cause confusion. Where there are any technical issues, learning from each test will help you refine your future assessments and make them even better. Alright, my lovely viewers, that wraps up our journey to creating a top-notch test. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they will guide you to make amazing tests in the future. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow test makers. And as always, remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.